Hey, what's up? It's Ike Pause. This is part 2 of my How to Profit Online with KDP using trivia books. And in this video, I'm gonna show you from start to finish how to create your interior, the actual book itself, and most importantly, the cover. Okay, I'm gonna show you a live example. Make sure you check out the link below and sign up and learn how to easily make money on KDP with quiz books, fact books, joke books, and trivia books. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is show you how to create a trivia book the easy way, okay? So what I have here, I'm on a site called Useful Trivia. Just go anywhere online and put in your niche, facts about XYZ, yada, yada, yada. Now I've been creating a Bible trivia book, and I have this text file and I have just these trivia facts about the Bible, okay? So I'm on this site and I see this good question here, Moses' first wife. I'm just gonna copy as is. I'm not gonna use the whole thing, who was Moses' first wife. And I'm gonna just come to my text file here, click enter, click Control V, Moses' first wife, okay? And just add it in there like that. And what I'm gonna do now is put a comma after the question mark. And I don't know who his first wife is, maybe this lady? Yay! Zipporah, is that right? Zipporah? So I'm gonna add Zipporah. Actually, I'm gonna add some other people's names. I'm gonna put Mary. These are the wrong answers. I'm gonna put Zipporah. I'm gonna put, and I'm put a comma between each one. Mary, Zipporah, Judy, Linda, and Zipporah again. You want to put the correct answer at the very end here, just like that. So Moses' first wife, Mary, Zipporah, Judy, Linda, and Zipporah. Zipporah is the right answer. So now that I have this, and along with my other trivia questions, and I just put that information just like I just showed you just now. I'm gonna save it. Okay, save it. I'm gonna go to the tool I'm using here, Trivia Book Mastery. There's 3 types of trivia type of books you can create with this tool. I'm just gonna go with the multiple choice version. I'm gonna go to upload my trivia, click choose file. I'm gonna look for it down here, Bible, and then upload the trivia file, okay? Now if I go to manage my trivia, you'll see that my questions are right here, all 12 of them, okay? And I can delete them if I want. But what I want to do is create a book with them. So I'm going to go back to trivia, and I can choose the quantity. It will just give me the number of questions that I have within my text file that I just uploaded. Okay, I have the option to add trivia questions from the actual software, but I'm not going to because this is very niche specific. We're doing Bible trivia or Bible quiz questions. So I'm gonna just add my uploaded trivia only, and font, I'm gonna go with, these are all public domains. I'm gonna go with Handley, and I'm gonna click create trivia. Now this is gonna give me 2 separate PDFs. The first one is the quiz itself, right? So for example, the meek shall inherit, hope, coins, earth, help. The answer is earth, right? So now if I go to the second PDF, it has the solutions, okay? So the meek shall inherit the earth, right? Boom. Moses' first wife is Zipporah, okay? Now, I'm gonna download these 2 PDFs, okay? And I can go to a site such as Combine PDF, and in Combine PDF, I just add them here and stick them together, and I can download it as one PDF file. If you're interested in Trivia Book Mastery, I have more information about it below. But for right now, let's create our cover for our quiz book. Okay, to create a good-looking book cover for your interior, you want to go to Canva. I just use a free version of Canva. I don't use a paid version. You want to go to Custom Size, okay? You want to change the pixel to inches, right? And you want to put in these dimensions, 17.84. Copy that, drop it in here. By, and you want the height 11.25 inches. Okay. So this will create your template where you're gonna design your book cover. And it's this big because it encompasses not only your front, but also the back of the book, okay? I already have my own templates for that. Here's one of the templates I have here. And, you know, let me go back to this clear blank slate here. You know, it's very simple to add stuff. Canva is a beautiful piece of software, okay? You can upload any images you want up here. You can also use the text, you know, and just click on any text, and of course you can move it around anywhere you want. Canva has these built-in snap grids, letting you know, giving you a center, like here's a center, letting you know the boundaries, all that good stuff. Okay, it's a really easy tool to use. Again, if you have no design skills, tech skills, Canva is a blessing. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Here I am. This is my own little template I like to use from time to time. Okay, so as you can see, I already added some assets in here. I'm not going to be using this word search thing because we're not doing a word search. We're doing a quiz. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. I'm also going to give you access to this little bleed template here to give you your bearings when you're creating your book, so that you know you're not spilling over to the bleed. You're not, crossing the boundaries, so that you have a nice, good-looking, centered book. You can get that down below. Excuse me. If you're a subscriber, you can get that down below. Okay, so here we are. We have this blank slate here. We have the title here, and again, we need to have our title on the front of the book, so that we can put it into Amazon, right? We have to make sure that the title we have on the book is the same title we have in our Amazon listing, KDP listing. Okay, very good. Now also you want to make sure that you use public domain or open source fonts so that you can use them commercially. Okay, I'm using Alegria here. I believe that's Latin for happiness. This is a Google font, which you can use for your own projects and for commercial use. Okay, I also have a really cool effect here. What I did was, you click on the effects here, you can click splice. Okay, and this will give you a border around your text, right? So it says splice thickness. I have it at 66, offset at 0, direction at 0, and I have the inside color, which is green, and I have the outside color. So if I click on here, you can see that the color is black. Okay, so again, a black border and a green inside. Okay, and here it's black border with a blue filling. Okay, so this is my front, and of course our keyword, which our book title is going to be, is Bible quiz. So let me put that in here. Bible quiz, cool. Book for adults. Book for adults. Okay, now if you're just starting out, you can get images and graphics from open source sites such as Pixabay. Pixabay is one of the resources I use all the time. Just search for whatever type of graphics you want. Okay. One little thing you can do here is make sure you look for graphics without the background. So let's say you put in Bible, and I go in here and I go to color, and I put transparent. That means transparent background, or the actual image that has transparent components, and click go. Okay, so as you can see, this image, for example, here has a transparent background, right? Which is cool. Okay, let's go back to our little design here. Okay, so we have our title here. What I want to do always is, this is me personally, this is what I find converts best. I want to use a background, a textured background, right? This gives the book some texture look, right? But I also want to make sure it's light, not too dark, so that our colors, if we do have colors in our graphics, that they pop, and our text, of course, that they pop. Okay, so I have this background. I have Bible quiz, book for adults. Now I want to fill this in with something that catches the eye. Your cover is so important. I can't stress this enough. you want to convey what your book's about in a second, okay? When someone sees your book, they know automatically, even without even reading it, okay, what your book is about, okay? So first we have to add images that will let the traffic know, let our traffic know, our audience, that we're talking about Bible, number one. And second, about quizzes, Bible quiz. So if I go to my uploads, I have this, I have these couple of Bible-centered graphics, right? Now, one here is obviously the Bible. You know, that's the cross, and I guess we can put that in there. But I want to go with the 10 Commandments here, okay? So I'm gonna just, you know, drag it down just to the 10 Commandments here, and I'm gonna expand on this, okay, like that. I also got a question mark, okay. Now this question mark, you know, it adds some mystery to our book. And I'm gonna add it at the top here, okay, like that. Actually, I'm gonna add it one more time. I'm gonna click duplicate and add it to the top here. Duplicate again, and add it right here. Don't worry, Canva will let you know if you are off center or not. Okay, very good, like that. Bible quiz book for adults. We got the information in the front. Okay, we're gonna use this little template here to make sure everything's nice and centered. Let's continue. Now in the back here, what we want to do is make sure that we grab our traffic, our audience, our potential customer. We want to grab them by their emotions first. Okay, so why is your book awesome? Fun, happy emotions. Okay, so engage your mind and have fun unraveling the mysteries of the Bible with our Bible quiz book, with our Bible quiz book for adults. Okay, and then I go into the features and benefits, right? So prepare yourself for over 100 Bible-based quizzes. Let me misspell that. Put the extra Z, 1 second. Bible-based quizzes. Bible-based quizzes on the New Testament and the Old Testament. Okay, answers included. Answers included. Okay, we might want to highlight certain parts of this book. I'm sorry, certain parts of this description. So, unraveling the mysteries of the Bible. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to color that maybe red and underline it. Okay, like that. Very simple to do with Canva. And also down here, over 100 Bible-based quizzes. I like that. I'm going to also highlight that red and put in an underline. Good, like that. And, you know, I have this pencil here, again, letting people know this is a quiz type of, you know, paper and pencil type of quiz. I'm going to add this other Bible-looking dude and put him over here, just like that, okay? And, you know, also got to remember that we're going to have a QR code, not QR code, excuse me, a barcode right here. Amazon's going to place one here so that people know, so that Amazon can keep track of the book, right? So we have our book basically done, our book cover, excuse me, basically done. We want to add this little, this bleed template here so that we make sure everything's in order. Everything is, again, you have access to these graphics. You have access to this bleed template down below. Make sure you're a subscriber to get those. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm gonna add that in here. Actually, I'm gonna, very good, like that. Now what I wanna do is position it backwards. Okay, good. Now we can move the elements in here. Let's increase the size of this. Okay, nice and big. This is fine the way it is. Okay, this looks good. Actually, I'm done. Okay, so you want to delete this. Really important. Delete that and download. Okay, download as a PDF print. Okay, like that, and click the number and download. Boom. Now that we're done with that, in part 3, make sure you get that. In part 3, I'm going to show you how to upload your trivia book to, or we should say quiz book, to Amazon, okay? And also set up the correct keywords that are gonna help you get that free traffic that's gonna lead to sales and conversions, okay? So make sure you catch that in those assets that I'll have for you then. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.